Auditors is a global body in US, Florida, and in India it has 6 chapters all over India. Totally there are around 120,000 members all over the world, and Institute of Internal Auditors is there in 170 countries. And in Chennai chapter on the 21st and 22nd of November, we are having the annual conference, our chapter annual conference at Taj Vivanta, Connemara. This is going to be a 2-day event, and the inaugural is going to be addressed by Dr. Sri Rangarajan, who is a Padma Vibhushan and former governor. And guest of honor is Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, who is the managing director of Kevin Care. We are also going to have multiple technical sessions on both the days by very eminent speakers who are going to address the conference. And we expect a participation of more than 200 numbers from large corporates of the entire South.
My name is Ranganathan. I am representing Institute of Internal Auditors, Chennai, as the Joint Secretary of the organization. The chapter is celebrating a national conference on business excellence and internal audit on the dates November 21 and 22 at Taj Vivanta, Connemara, Chennai. The conference will be inaugurated by Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, the eminent industrialist from Chennai. We will have a special guest appearance and special address by Dr. C. Rangarajan, former Governor of Reserve Bank of India and National Advisor to the Prime Minister of India, former Prime Minister of India. The conference in its inaugural address has got Mr. Hal Gareen, who is the Vice President of the Institute of Internal Auditors, USA. He will be speaking on the subject and its relative importance to the nation. The conference will also have the keynote address by Mr. P.R. Ramesh, the National Chairman of Deloitte Huskins & Sells, on the theme Business Excellence and Internal Audit. The conference is being sponsored by major corporates like Ashok Leyland, Murugappa Group, and also co-sponsored by Ernst & Young, E-Nuva, Tata Motors and TVS. We have the conference divided into 3 tracks of 4 persons each, addressing on various topics covering technical subjects and on professional subjects. We also have 2 panel discussions being chaired by eminent persons in the profession. In total, we have 14 sessions of wonderful knowledge inputs being provided by professionals and technical experts in the field. The valedictory address is proposed to be addressed by Dr. Professor Tandavan, Vice Chancellor of Madras University. He will be providing the valedictory address at 5 p.m. on November 22, 2014. With this, the conference will end.
My name is Loganathan. I am the conference technical chairman of this conference. This conference is being organized by the Institute of Internal Auditors, Madras chapter, which is a part of the international body, Institute of Internal Auditors, incorporated in USA, Florida. And this conference is being organized every year by the chapter. This year, the conference is being organized on 21st, 22nd November at Taj Connemara, and will be addressed by various experts in the field of internal auditing. The conference is being inaugurated by Dr. Rangarajan, who was formerly the RBI Governor, and also the speakers include Mr. C.K. Ranganathan of Kevin Care, Mr. Hal Gareen, who is the Vice President of the Institute of Internal Auditors, USA, is coming all the way to India to address this conference. On the second day, we have the valedictory session being addressed by Dr. Professor Tandavan, who is the Vice Chancellor of the Madras University.